I'm going to show you how to do a lip that will stay on. First, you're going to take a little bit of deep wrinkle filler, and that is going to be in place of lip primer. You could use either or. I like using the deep wrinkle filler because I feel like it does two things in one. Not that the lip primer doesn't have age-fighting properties, but this has a little bit more. Okay, and while that's drying, because you want to make sure that it's dry, so I'm going to show you in steps. I put my cheek color on first, and then some highlighter, and now I'm going to put my lip color on. You want to remember to try to keep the center of your face open. I'm going to do a quick eye look after this too in 2 separate videos, because I know that your mind can only absorb what your seat can endure. And so we need to keep things on the short side. So next I'm using a berry lip liner, and you want to remember that you do not try to draw a straight line all the way around your lips. You want to tip your head a little bit. I like to stay on my natural lip line, but that's up to you. Some people go above, but I am going to stick straight on my natural lip line. It's like connecting the dots. Working up is a little easier for me. Then you make your Cupid's bow. Down here, I make just a small line, and then I work down. Okay, next I'm going to put the lip color on, and I'm using the new Raspberry, and I'm going to go right over the lip liner, not trying to get over the whole lip, just over the lip liner and a little on my lip. Whoop. Okay, so I'm still leaving that center open. I'm going to take the new highlighter, gold and shimmer, and I'm going to use the white, and that's going to go on the bottom center of my lip, and then a little on the top. That keeps your whole look open in the middle, open at the bottom. Last thing I do is come back over it with the lip liner. And that'll give you, see how that on the top, how sharp that is? That looks really nice. There you have it. Now, remember, nude lip is so in, but I will tell you that a little bit brighter lip color makes the condition of your skin look better. So I hope you enjoyed this lip video.